bucket time! Oh, look! Today is the 4th of December. The number 4. But I wonder what's going to be in my bucket. There's only one way to find out. Come on, let's go and take a look. Let's all take a look. Let's all take a look. It's bucket time. What's inside? Let's all take a look. Let's all take a look. Let's all take a look. It's bucket time. What's inside? Come on. Let's all take a look. Fantastic. Oh, look. Today my bucket has the number 4. The number 4. Wow, I wonder what's inside. Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Today's object begins with the letter S. S. And that makes the S sound. S. Can you make that sound? S. Fantastic! Now, they're made of snow and they have a carrot nose. Look, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little snowmen. Snowmen. I've got a song all about snowmen. Come on, let's go and sing it. Look, should we count them? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little snowmen. Are you ready? 4 little snowmen standing in a row. 4 little snowmen made of snow. Out came the sunshine and it shone all day. And one little snowman melts away. How many now, guys? 1, 2, 3. 3 little snowmen. 3 little snowmen standing in a row. 3 little snowmen made of snow. Out came the sunshine and it shone all day. And one little snowman melts away. How many now? Are you ready? 1, 2. 2 little snowmen. 2 little snowmen standing in a row. 2 little snowmen made of snow. Out came the sunshine and it shone all day. And one little snowman melts away. Oh no! How many now? Let's count them. 1. 1 little snowman. Are you ready? 1 little snowman standing in a row. 1 little snowman made of snow. Out came the sunshine and it shone all day. And one little snowman melts away. Oh no, there's none left. Come on, let's go and build some more. Hooray! To build a snowman, you need to roll and pat the snow together. And then, look, you put one on top of the other to make a body and a head. Look, now we need to put the finishing touches. The eyes, the carrot nose and the stick arms. Fantastic snowman, guys! Wow, they did it! Fantastic! Look, today's number is the number 4. The number 4. 4 snowmen. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carrot noses. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4 hats. 1, 2, 3, 4. These snowmen look really good. Today's number is the number... Yes! The number 4. Fantastic counting, guys! Oh, had a really good time today, building snowmen and counting and singing. But now it's time for the snowmen to go back in the bucket where they belong. In goes 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little snowmen, all put away and ready for another day. I wonder what's going to be in my bucket tomorrow with me, Sarah Jane, on Bucket Time. I'll see you later, guys. Bye! Remember, you're fantastic!